What's up, y'all? It is Thursday, February 27th, 2020. I'm Lindsay Duff, and this is Responsible Day Trading. So I'm going to New Orleans tomorrow, which I'm a little excited about, so I'm having a hard time thinking about focusing on the market. I'm going to give it a little bit of time. If things don't work out for me, I'll probably step away. And things not working out for me may mean I'm just sitting here realizing that I'm paying attention to other things and not to trading. So it looks like it's already been a little today. Probably still going to go down though. I don't know, y'all. I just keep thinking about this fun weekend that I'm going to have with my best friend. So let's go ahead and check out the market. Let's see the daily chart. Where are you? There you go. You know, here I was like, don't expect it to come all the way back here in a day or two. And poof. Was I wrong? Look at that, man. We have totally exceeded that last area. The next one's way back here. Man, I took those lines off again. I'm going to have to recreate them. Good thing it doesn't take me long. Oh, and that tells me that my Facebook is open. So give me a moment. I had Facebook open in 3 tabs. Here. Dang it. Okay, I'm not going to let that freak me out. Nope, that was a quick one. Ooh. Gonna come up and get me again, huh? But I need to see that divergence on the 233. I have divergence here, but it's still gonna go down. Too fast for me. Hold that. Woo! Here we go. Okay, I just had a couple of really bad entries to begin with, but we're good. Don't have any lows marked after that, but that's all right. Oh, okay. All right, okay. Woo, there it goes. All right, ready? Move it just a little bit because this is about to drop hard. Getting smaller and smaller here in the little pullbacks. So we may get a tiny little bar that pulls back here and takes it out again at that 2 point. Let's see. Yeah. Pull back again deeper. And let it do its thing. Big drop. Pull in. Let's go. Oh, moved it to a break even too quickly, huh? Man, today is hard for me. It's okay. I'm not thinking about today being hard. I'm thinking about today doing the right thing. Wow, that hit my target before I could even move it. That's all right. Didn't catch that one. I'm looking at this little bit lower pivot here. But I'm also looking at the bigger tick charts at this moment. Struggling to go down just yet. Oh, here we go. This not breaking through that bottom Bollinger Band. Pull it down just a hair. Oh, I hit close. This is about to drop. I hit close looking at these BBs pulling up, but this is about to drop. Just got a little fearful there. Touched it, but it hasn't pushed through it. There we go. Break even is the spot. Okay. Reversal bar happening there. Let's see where that takes us. I may stop with that. How long have we been trading? 20 minutes? It was hard to get those 13 points from me today. Me and my tea, we're going to call it a day. Literally, I'm going to move my... This is my card today, in case you were curious. You are unique. Man, am I. I know that for sure. We're 23 minutes into today, and I knew that my mind was in a space of I'm going on vacation tomorrow. And man, that thing popped back up. Oh, no. Look away, Lindsay. Look away. You are enough. So, man. And then it moved a little bit more to the downside. We're calling this 5 losses because there were 2 1-tick losses that I did have set to break even, but they didn't break even. They gave me a loss. So since I'm trading 2 contracts at a time, it's like, I don't want to say 4.5 wins and 4.5 losses. So we have 5 losses, 1 break even, 4 wins, plus 13.25 points. So that's what we're going to do. Because this girl is going to get some stuff done because I'm not going to be working for the next 4 or 5 days, and I'm going to feel super out of whack. I'm going to feel like I need to do stuff. So I'm just going to bust my butt today and to take care of a lot of things because I am rolling out some new ideas on how to get coaching out to people and make it more available in the next couple of weeks. But for now, I've got a lot of work to do until I can make that happen. So what we're going to do is we're going to call it a day. And another note, I have no idea where my glasses are. That is going to wrap things up. I hope everybody has a fabulous weekend. I'll look forward to catching you next week. Hopefully not completely hungover by Tuesday. And as always, I look forward to catching you on the profitable side.